World's first iPhone with under-display Face ID is finally coming, but not until 2025.
God damn it!
According to the display analyst Ross Young, the iPhone 17 Pro will be the first phone to feature under-display Face ID. So now, you might be wondering about the design of the phone with this new technology. The analyst says that under-display Face ID will still be accompanied by a circular cutout for the front-facing camera. I mean, come on. Can't they figure out a way to make it truly all-screen? Apparently not, because this implementation is expected to persist until 2027's Pro iPhone models, which will finally move the camera under the display for a true all-screen design. Interestingly, this forecast differs from Young's previous roadmap that he shared back in May 2022. At that time, he had expected the iPhone 16 Pro models to be the first to feature under-display Face ID technology. But due to some kind of sensor issues, there has been a one-year delay. Young also revealed that the standard iPhone 17 models will adopt Pro Motion technology. Currently, only the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max offer Pro Motion with 120 Hz refresh rate, while the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus offer a 60 Hz panel. And for those who don't know, Pro Motion plays a major role in power efficiency, allowing the iPhone 14 Pro to run at 120 Hz without major impacts to battery life. It also plays a big role in the always-on display used in the iPhone 14 Pro lineup, as the display's refresh rate can drop all the way down to 1 Hz. So you'll finally be able to use some premium features like Pro Motion and always-on display on standard models of the iPhone 17, which is great news. But the bad news is that these features will likely remain exclusive to the higher-end iPhone models until 2025. So if you want the latest and greatest tech, you'll still have to shell out the big bucks. But what else can you expect from a company like Apple that literally removed the charger from iPhone's box in the name of nature and money? Now, if you want to know everything about the iPhone 15 series, watch this video right here, and I'll see you there.